Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in our previous two videos about GATE exam, like I have given a brief about what is GATE and who are the colleges like whom are conducting these GATE exams in India. And followed by that, in part two, like we discussed about what are the type of questions we'll be getting in GATE, what is the financial assistance that we get in GATE, and also what is the mode of exam and when the exam will get conducted and also. So if you have not seen those videos, please do check it out. I'll keep the links in the description as well. So coming to this part of this video, so in this video, like I'll be covering one of the major topic and lots of confusions. So which is gate two paper combination systems. So this is kind of a new thing which has been brought in our recent gate exams. So I would like to talk about this part alone in this video. So coming to two paper combination. So what is two paper combination is basically a person who is appearing from a background from one basic background can also apply for other exams as well. For example, as I mentioned, like GATE has total of 30 subject papers. So in which from different domains and different background peoples can apply for this GATE exam in India. So in this 30 subjects or 30 variants, like you can choose your first paper, which is your common paper, like which is from which background you are, and also followed by that you can go to some additional papers also. So that is what is this two paper combination basically is. And also this two paper combination, if you're choosing, there is no assurance that both the paper examinations will be from the same exam center. For example, if your first paper is electrical, which happened in one city in India and in one specific college or specific institution, the second paper which you have chosen may be ECE or electrical and communications, so that also will not happen in the same institution. But however, both the exams, if you have chosen, both the exams will happen at one specific location. For example, if you are in Tamil Nadu, then it will happen. Suppose your first paper is in Coimbatore, the second paper also will be in Coimbatore. So if your first paper is in Bengaluru, then your second paper must be will be in Bengaluru as well. But in Bengaluru, it can be in different institutions, different places. That's it. And also one more thing, at the last moment, the gate authority, like whichever college it is, has the right to cancel second paper examination. So this is also happened like last 2 years before. So I would recommend every one of you to choose the first paper as your primary paper. So which you are more interested and which you are planning to do your masters or your going for PSU examinations, PSU jobs. So please choose your primary paper very clearly, and because sometimes your secondary paper may or may not can get cancelled as well from the gate authority as. So moving on to the next slide, I hope so this is understood. So these are those 30 subjects with their subject codes, so which has been mentioned here. So whenever you're going for your application of GATE exams, so there you have to know your exams or your subject code. So you can see here it covers almost all the major things from science, engineering, humanities, geologies, and also life science. So you have everything, all the major subjects in India are covered here. So you can see. So please make sure, as I'm saying it again, your primary subject should be always the subject which you're currently interested in, or currently the subject which you're pursuing. For example, if you are doing BE or BTech in Triple E, please choose your primary subject as Triple E or electrical engineering. Followed by that, your secondary can be your area of interest, second area of interest. Because as I told, sometimes it may get uh, delayed or cancelled due to infrastructure, or there is no like examination booths available from gate side. That's why. And followed by this, so coming on to this slide, like where I have given a detailed information about your area of like first paper code and the second paper code. So if you are taking any first paper code on this, like which you will be appearing from for gate exam, so only for those codes there are some specific areas which you can prepare for your or you can appear for your second paper. For example, taking double E, like which is basically electrical engineering. If you have chosen electrical engineering as your first paper, then your second paper can be either of these four. So, which DA is your data science, EC is your electronics and instrumentation engineering, and IN is your instrumentation engineering, and PH is your physics. So same like this, it applies for all the batch course, and there are some courses, some subjects where there is no alternate or there is no second paper as well. So please make sure that you check this table before applying for your gate exams application, because it will be very useful for you. And as I told, please don't reverse it or give it, because if you have given data science as your primary core, you will get doubly as your secondary paper also. But as I mentioned before, gate has an authority to cancel the second paper. So if it get cancelled, then you have only one choice and you have to prepare or write only for DA. So there are some situations like that which may can also happen. So please make sure that you choose your primary subject as your first area of interest. So this was the thing which I want to cover it here. So if you have any doubts related to this or anything, please comment below. So, and also I'll try to clear all your doubts in comments. So this was the thing which I want to cover in this video. So hope so you like this video. So if you have any doubts or anything, please comment as I mentioned. So thank you very much for joining, and hope so you like this video. Thank you guys.